So today I'll be showing you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your laptop. Okay. Now, the first thing you need to do is make sure there is energy in the mouse. So you can either do that using some batteries. Some mice will have a little door here that you can slide out and put in either a pair of AAA or triple or double A batteries. Some like this one just have a USB-C port. Okay, so they have a built-in non-removable battery, and when the battery goes low, you just charge it. Okay, so this is one of those. So once you take care of the energy department, either using batteries or by charging the mouse, the next thing you need to do is put the mouse in Bluetooth pairing mode. Okay. Now, again, this also depends on the company that makes your mouse. Different companies have different ways. For this particular one, all I have to do is slide it to the Bluetooth mode, and it's going to go into Bluetooth mode, or rather Bluetooth pairing mode. You can see it flashing quickly. That means it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. And even my laptop has already detected it. Okay. But even if it doesn't detect it, you can actually go and search manually. So if you go into Start and then go to Settings, under Settings, click on Bluetooth and Devices on the left-hand side, and then click on Add a Device, and then choose the first option for mice, keyboards, pens, audio devices, controllers, etc. Click on that, and then it's gonna start searching for the mouse, and you can see the mouse has already been detected. Click on it, and the light on the mouse should stop blinking as soon as it gets connected. So there you go. So it's connected and the light has stopped blinking, and now the mouse is usable. It's that simple. I'm currently using the mouse to close this. That's how you connect a Bluetooth mouse to your laptop. This is different from a wireless mouse. So there's a difference between Bluetooth and wireless. If you want to see how to connect a wireless mouse to a laptop, I'll leave a video linked in the description so you can check that out. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And good luck.